Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you these IKEA 7-watt CFL bulbs. Now these are actually made by MegaMan with the IKEA branding on them. Now these MegaMan CFLs are actually really good quality. I've done a video on the 15 and 11 watt versions, if I remember correctly, and now I have some 7-watt versions. Now the difference with these 7-watt versions is that they have the candelabra base on them, but I'm sure they also came in a medium base version as well. But whoever bought these got them all in candelabra, which is perfectly fine, as I just like the design of them so much anyway that it doesn't really matter. I picked these up recently at a local restore for 50 cents a piece. All their bulbs are 50 cents unless they're otherwise marked. But yeah, so pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of them. You can see their simple packaging like IKEA does. Of course, we can see the base at the bottom, which I think is part of their packaging idea, so that people can see what kind of base the bulb actually has. This is a very good tip. You know, you never want to screw in a CFL by holding it at the tube. You want to hold it by the ballast compartment. Of course, a picture of the bulb itself. And more information here on the side as well. It looks like this one they say equals a 35-watt bulb. So they're probably being a little more truthful about that than some other brands that have claims that never really happen. So this one, we just pull this out, and that's just a protector. And then we have the bulb itself. Now this piece of paper here just says some extra information that they forgot to put on to the packaging. And here we have the bulb. Now the one thing that I liked about these is that they have the IKEA logo molded right into the ballast compartment. I think one of the versions that I have doesn't have that molded into it. It's just printed on. But on the side here we can see it is 7 watts, self-ballasted obviously, and all that fun stuff. I just love the design of these MegaMan CFLs. They make such a simple loop structure, and then the mercury gets put in here with the little tip and then gets, you know, sealed off when it's all said and done. But it's just a really unique design that I just don't see that often, but now I've been seeing more that I've found them in thrift stores and restores. So yeah, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and screw it in here. Turn off our light. And that was the first time it's ever been turned on. Now the one thing I do like about these is that since they're an early CFL, they have a higher content of mercury inside of them, allowing them to get to full brightness much quicker than the newer CFLs, which are now discontinued in favor of LEDs. There, now the camera focuses on it nicely. Just the design and the looping structure of it is just so cool to me. And it's already at full brightness. Like I said, it doesn't take very long to get there. And I'd say it's probably equivalent to a 25-watt bulb. Maybe just a little bit brighter, but I'd say 25 watts. We'll set it down there and turn on our big light again. Anyway, I really do hope you enjoyed this video of these IKEA 7-watt MegaMan CFLs. They're pretty cool. Also, please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.